Ashley, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Trying to get my ears pierced.
You are.
Yeah.
Have you ever had your ears pierced before?
No, and you're way close to my face.
Wait, Ashley, don't be disrespectful. You're gonna pierce it there
Yeah.
and there.
Yeah.
So should I put this on Facebook?
Daddy. Stop videotaping.
Put your hand down.
Stop
Hey, I videotaped your first birthday, your first.
So... Not gonna hurt at all, is it?
No, it's just a little pinch.
I'm such a kid, man. Stop.
She's just cleaning them.
Okay, so now I'm gonna make a dot, so I'll have to have you hold real still for me. Just look straight.
She don't mess up and punch my...
Okay, don't talk.
Did you even touch my ear?
Yeah.
I didn't feel it. I was like...
Okay.
Oh, you'll feel it right now.
Make sure that those are even.
I'm looking.
Do they look even?
Yep, they look even.
Are you gonna do it at the same time?
There you go. No, there's not enough of us right now to do it at the same time, but it's just a quick pinch on both sides. And then you guys
I don't need it.
Here she comes. Ashley's getting her to get her ears
Don't worry,
pierced.
it's not scary. It's
Grandpa,
not-
she's gonna get her ears pierced.
It's not gonna be scary. No.
You want me to hold your hand, Ash?
It doesn't hurt.
Here, hold my hand.
Well, how long does it take to do this? Just heat a wire up and poke it through there.
Wait, how long does it take? Like first step? Like to do something in the corner.
You ready?
Ashley, don't worry.
Straight ahead for me. Okay, count.
Just do it. Go. Ah. Ah. Ah.
It didn't hurt.
Oh, just it. That was so easy. Just do it. Go, 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 go.
All done, Ash.
All done.
Now, how much is that?
Did it hurt?
Yeah, a little.
Turn your head. I want to see.
No, it hurts.
Yeah. Go ahead and clean your hands off with that. Like
so
both sides.
That's probably why I never got it.
Don't touch it.
I'm not gonna touch you. I'm
Don't
moving
touch
your
it,
hair.
Maybe. They weren't always this
Daddy. Oh, it hurts.
This
Let me see.